Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is quite a fun video. I've just had this package arrive and it is an Aliexpress haul, and this is very different from all my other hauls that I have posted because this is just purely cuteness and sticker happiness. So here we have some PVC long stickers, and I chose these stickers because it's a house with bunnies on them, and it's just so adorable. Next we have some pop-up PVC stickers. Now I have seen this before used by other journalers, but I have never personally owned any of these, and the idea is that it will be like a pop-up book, so the stickers will pop up. The stickers are made out of PVC, and so they're see-through, and the illustrations are once again very cute, just like the rest of this haul. Next we have some glossy sticker packs, and I will show you these since they are not very many. There's only, I believe, 20 pieces or something small like that, but the other sticker packs that I will be showing you I will not be opening anymore because they are like 40 individual stickers in them, and it's going to take forever if I did, but you will be seeing them in my journal with me videos, which I am planning to do soon. So here we have the red pack within the same series. So whenever I shop at AliExpress, if I like something, I would get it in more than one type. So I have two from the same series, and this is really why I picked up these stickers, because the illustrations remind me of how I would dress if I was back home, if it wasn't very cold, maybe with the exception of a few of the illustrations, but it just reminds me of home, and it makes me super happy to have these super cute stickers. I say super a lot in this video, I'm so sorry. Next we have the matte sticker packs, and I bought a lot of different types of stickers from the same series because I've noticed that I have always been using cute girls in whenever I buy stickers. So I have a lot of girl illustrations, but I don't have a lot of guy illustrations or dude illustrations. So I thought I'd pick some up, and I'd like them to be also within the cute range, and I thought that these stickers would be very appropriate for what I wanted. So the boys are dressed in different color schemes depending on the pack that you get, and as for links, just leave a comment down below if there's anything here that you would like a link of. I will not be posting all of the links, but I will reply to those who are asking for specific links. These are very easy to find in AliExpress, and I think I have videos before that have discussed how I buy from AliExpress. It's pretty simple. You will need a debit card or a credit card in order to purchase from there, but otherwise it's really very easy. It's a really nicely designed user interface. So I believe this is the last pack from the same series, and these are the boys dressed in blue. And I'm also a really big fan of K-pop, and I do stan some boy groups, especially BTS. So I thought that maybe if there is a release, I would be able to use the stickers as well for that. Of course, I stan more girl groups than I do boy groups, but I already have a lot of girl stickers, and there's more here as you will see in a bit. So I didn't think I'd need specific stickers for that, and I can always print some whenever I need it. So here are some of the PVC packs, and these I will no longer be opening individually because there's 40 pieces inside. If not 40, then a little bit more. And these are smaller than the ones that I showed you, like half the size of them. And the thing that I like about these stickers is that they're easier to open than the floral PVC stickers that I used last year or earlier this year, because those were so difficult to peel from their backing. These ones are, I'm very happy to report, do not require that much effort. Now for the last three favorite things that I picked up, well, actually these are what I really truly wanted to pick up. I just went ahead and added those other things to cart, but I wanted a box of clears, or rather PVC stickers, just like this one. And this one has such a simple design that I thought that I'd be able to use them when I start decorating my Hobonichi. And this is actually part of the same listing, I believe. And there were so many different types. I just picked the ones that I really liked and thought that I would have a lot of use. And since that the weather here is turning very warm, and I could also use this when I go back to the Philippines, which is nearly always warm, I picked up this summer box. And these are such pretty illustrations and very colorful as well, and I really can't wait to use them. And for the last thing that we have in this haul, my most favorite thing of everything is this Fauxbonichi. Now I know that not everyone will be able to afford Hobonichi books or Hobonichi Weeks, so I thought I'd show you and start using a Fauxbonichi one. Now you could say that someone can save up for it if they really wanted to, but you know, some people, they don't want to spend that much or don't have the chance to spend that much in their planners, and these cheaper ones from Aliexpress actually would do the job. And I just wanted to show a little bit of variety in my content. These are very budget friendly and actually are pretty good. So that is the end of our haul today. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did when I was unboxing it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!